My name is Alfonso Montano. I'm an instructor here at CodeWizardsHQ. One of the things that inspired me to become a teacher was my childhood. I grew up in a relatively poor community in my country, and because of it, I could not obtain a proper education. To get around that, my parents brought me to the United States, where I received a better education. This has inspired me to help students in their careers. I believe that education is very important, and seeing a student understand a new concept in class and apply it to their problem-solving skills is one of the most rewarding things I get to experience working here at CodeWizards HQ.